Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm the resort manager here at Sun Resorts and Residences, Buttonwood Bay, an active 55+ resort. We have many opportunities for long-term stays, including RV, vacation rental, and home sales. Let's check them out. Some of the benefits of being an annual RV guest with us is we'll upgrade your concrete, we'll add a shed, you can personalize the site to your liking, and you can come and go as you please. Here at Buttonwood, we have many pre-owned and new home options. Let's go check this new home out. In our new homes, we offer an open floor concept, and in our kitchen, it's light and bright with solid wood cabinets and all new stainless steel appliances. Our resort sits on Lake Josephine, where you can enjoy all the boating and fishing that you can handle. Outside of the resort, there's many great things to do as well, including Lake Placid, the town of murals, Highlands Hammock State Park, Sebring International Raceway, or you can go enjoy some shopping and dining in downtown Sebring.
We got here first in 2006. We were just driving by, saw the community, went back to Michigan where it was snowing and cold, called the community. A girl named Laura answered the phone and just made you think that you needed to live here. So we did. They take care of you here. I wouldn't live anywhere else.
As a long-term resident of Buttonwood Bay, we want to offer you the opportunity to create lifelong memories and friendships through our amenities, activities, and events. We can't wait to welcome you to Sun Resorts and Residences Buttonwood Bay, where you and your family will make lasting memories. See you soon.